How to fix Zoro TV app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, you can launch your settings. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Then forgot this network. Give a fresh restart to your router. Then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. After you do this, you can check whether your app works or not. If you still encounter the issue, you can clear cache for the app. For that, navigate to the option of General, open this option iPhone Storage. Now scrolling down, you will find the app named Zoro. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Type in the app name and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you update the app, you can check whether it is working or not. Heading towards last solution, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, press and hold the app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix your app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.